Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I'm bringing you another original design, another word of the day for you. This is the Kenkyona knot. That's the Japanese word for humble. So I pronounce it the best I can. Kenkyona. There we go. So again, here's the knot. Let's get started. It's at my left side at the belt line as usual. Just one tie this time. We're going to come over here. We're just going to fold it in half, however you want to do that. We're just going to bring it up and over like this. This has been how I've been fastening these ties lately. So we're going to fold it and do a fold like this, come underneath here like so, fold it like, come across here like this. I'm going to fold it down like this and then come up and over like that. We're going to do a wreath. Around here like this, so then there we have that right there. So there we have that. Then I'm just going to fold it in half and go down like this. And then up and over like this, still folded in half. I'm just going to fold that up in there. So let me put my buttons down. If you want to see the picture of this, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials, and now let's kind of do some post-production work to make it look, kind of stretch it out a little bit. Just kind of open it up a little bit there. So there you have it. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.